down.
Okay, Mom, Jim, are you gonna put that in front of me?
Is that mine?
Oh, Mama, you're teasing me.
I'm gonna smash it in his
No,
face.
that's not for you to get away from it.
Let him do
Set
it.
it down in front of him first.
What? Okay.
See
I'll
what
do
he
it in a
does.
second.
I don't know if you might not need to.
Right.
Have one?
No,
No,
not yet.
hold on. We'll get you a cake.
Julian, where's your
Dig
face?
in, bud.
That cake's all for Julie.
Julian,
Here's
where's your face?
It's just
Just
like
like
a
a
Julian,
tasting it.
Yeah. Good boy. Do it the old-fashioned way.
Look, Ma, you're not gonna have to smash it.
Oh, you got it in his eye.
Aw.
We didn't have to do that. Carter.
No, we didn't have to
You wouldn't have to do
I don't
it.
think you have to do that with
There we
Julie.
go.
Oh my God, hurry up and process. I hate this camera. That's probably why I don't care that Jeff started.
You don't have a hand sanitizer?
Yeah.
Definitely get that frosting away from his eyes.
Yes, I'm working on it.
Look at it.